Today's the day that we're going to be starting the RX7 for the first time. Putting a lot of work into it, trying to put the car back together, fix some things that look like maybe they weren't put together right, or it's just old school thinking. So today's the day that we're going to finish wrapping it up. We just have the rest of the oil lines for the external wet sump system, get that put back together, radiator put back in, fill it with fluids, pre-mix some fuel, prime the pump, purge the lines out, make sure there's no garbage in them from the car sitting, then hook that line up to the carb and then fire it up. Maybe do some other preliminary checks, but looks like we're just about there. Maybe just pump that car around a little bit today. See if there's anything else that we need to take a look at, pay some attention to. But just spent the last 2 hours. I got up at 5 o'clock in the morning and got on the road to travel 2 hours to get to the car and do this final work. A couple of upcoming autocrosses here in the beginning of March, and hopefully maybe we can get that car out for those autocrosses, do some shakedowns. So looking forward to doing that. So let's see in a little bit and see if we can get that car started. Okay, here we are. We're doing a oil pressure prime on the engine. Found out how many quarts this engine takes. It's taken 8 quarts, which is a little surprising for such a small engine. And Bruce has got the our priming system here by Ryobi. Thank you, Home Depot. So let's go ahead and give it another whirl here and see what kind of oil pressure we get. All right, we're pulling about 20. Oh, it pulled up a little bit higher, so it's pulling about 20 pounds of pressure. Okay, we're countdown to start. We got the engine primed and ready to go. Check for leaks. No leaks. Always get ready to fill it with fuel, purge the line, and test fire and see if we can get this thing to start. So, got carburetor, radiator, the strut tower, strut support back in there. Everything's connected back up. Our modified radiator, or not radiator cap, but our distributor cap. That's high performance modified there. It'll be interesting how that works. And our oil distribution blocks. We don't have anything leaking so far, at least in the oil. We don't have the engine started yet, so the coolant isn't ready to go yet. But we're getting ready to fire this thing up, and fuel is going in now.
You good? You got it on?
Yeah, get it on. So
if I fart, then they're going to pick that up too?
we're going to get all.
Ooh!
Yeah. We're going to be, it's smell vision.
Do you want me to crank it while you watch
Well, we're going to watch, I'm going to fire it and see, and watch the gauges, make sure we got oil pressure, fuel pressure.
it? Yep, everything.
Yeah, and everything is
Good.
functioning as it should. This thing.
You got it.
It'll be easier when it's on the ground.
You hear that? Family plan. The ignition's good, right? What's that? What's this deal? Mexico. Well, yeah, there should be some fuel in it.
So she's running. It's living. Doesn't have that brat sound like I hear. I don't hear that brat sound. I wonder if it's because we did the direct fire. I think it's because we did that direct fire ignition and only using 2 of the plugs. You don't hear that. So it's a little bit different sound. Yeah, that's kind of that more that 2-stroke sound.
We got backup.
Backup ignition? Yeah, we do. Yeah, I like that. Weber car, man, that's nice. And the direct fire ignition setup with the MSD. Got one of the MSDs deleted. So Bruce, give it a little wrap. Bruce, let's wrap it up a little bit. Yeah.